solve. I can, as a matter of fact, I have the x's on the left and the right. They can cancel since they have the same sign. So that will leave the left hand side with 4x minus 5 equals 7. 4x is equal 12. X is equal 3, making D my correct answer. Which of the following answers is the equation of the straight line? We notice that it's going through the origin 0, 0, so the y-intercept is 0, so it cannot be D, C, or it cannot be D as well. So that leaves A or B my correct answer. I need to find the gradient. Rise over run. The rise is 4 and the run is 2, sorry. The run is 2 and that's 4 divided by 2. That gives me 2. So 2m, that should be A my correct answer. Given an equation and we want to make P the subject. To do that, cross multiply 6e is equal O plus 4m plus P. Move these to the other side to make P on the right hand side only. That will give me 6e minus O minus 4m. 6e minus O minus 4m. A is my correct answer. Translation. So a rectangle. Let's see, this is my rectangle. And the width is W. And he tells me the length of the rectangular floor is 6 feet more than its width. So L is equal W plus 6. We need the perimeter. The perimeter is equal to length plus 2 width. So 2 into length, I substitute W plus 6 plus 2 width. That gives me 2W plus 12 plus 2. Sorry, this is 2W. Okay. So that gives me 4W plus 12. And that makes B my correct answer. Triangle RTU, we were given RT is equal to TU. That makes it an isosceles. Therefore, the base angles are equal. So the base angle, let's see, I'm going to take angle U. Either one of them is equal 180 minus 114 divided by 2. So that makes 66 divided by 2, which is 33. So this angle 33 degrees. Notice that angle X is an exterior angle for the triangle VSU. Exterior angle equals sum of non-adjacent angles or sum of remote angles. What are the remote angles for this triangle? 31 and 33. So the measure of angle X is going to be 31 degrees plus 33, which is equal 64 degrees, making D my correct answer. Two inequalities, and I need to find the solution for y. The second inequality, 2x greater than 5, if I were to subtract 1 from both sides, what do I get? I get 2x minus 1 greater than 4. Notice that, and y is greater than, so we have a transitive property in here. Y is greater than 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is greater than 4. Using the transitive property, that implies therefore y is greater than 4. Just to remind you, the transitive property, if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then we can conclude A is greater than C. An equation, we need to solve for it. So first thing, I'm going to move 4 to the other side, so that'll be square root of 2x plus 6 is equal x minus 1. To annul the radical sign or the square root, I square both sides. So that makes the left hand side 2x plus 6. My right hand side is a perfect square trinomial. Need to expand that. That is x squared minus 2x plus 1. Move the left hand side, every term of it, to the right hand side. Every term will change its sign, making the left hand side is equal to 0. That will be x squared minus 2x and minus 2x minus 4x, and 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Factorize 0 equal brackets x squared is x and x, 5, 5 and 1. Since the constant sign is negative, then both brackets, one is positive and one is negative. The bigger number will take the middle sign, which is minus, so that makes 5 is minus and 1 is a plus. Using null factor law, that will give me x plus 1 is equal 0, or x minus 5 is equal 0, making x minus 1 or x 5 is the solution set. So the solution set is minus 1 comma 5, and that is C is my correct answer. Dividing two polynomials, just really I divide and factorize, simplify, and so the numerator, I can see we have a common factor, that is x. That makes it x squared minus 9, and the denominator, we can factorize it x and x, 3 and 1. 3 is negative, so this will be the same as the middle sign, that's positive. The numerator, we can see this term is a difference of two squares. It can be factorized further, so that's x into x plus 3, x minus 3 over x plus 1 into x minus 3. We can simplify further, x minus 3 and x minus 3, leaving my final answer to be x into x plus 3 over x plus 1, making D my correct answer.